tiny steps for me, just walking out.
I can't take tiny steps.
That's it. Almost there, a little bit further, right to the edge. Say hello to the cameraman on the left. How you feeling there?
I don't know if I can do this.
Let go of the towel.
No, I don't know if I can do this.
You can do this. I think you're going to let go of the towel.
I can't do it.
We are. We're going to try.
Can I go backwards?
No, as soon as you jump, it's an amazing feeling. You can do this.
How quick after I jump do I need to put my hands together?
You'll do it naturally because you go head up, upside down.
Okay.
Guarantee it's fine. Let go. Arms out wide. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're away. You've done it.
Oh my god, that's amazing! Fucking hell. Fuck! Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Hi. Oh yeah. That's better than an orgasm. Where is he?
And away.
Where is he? That is terrifying. Oh my god, that's the funnest thing ever.
Relax there for a little bit. I'm going to get you on the solid ground.
That was so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, my nana's here. She would have heard that. Oh, well, to her I'm still a virgin.
Aren't we all?
Yeah, that's right. That is so funny.
Spread your feet over on the mat, brush your head.
Oh.
Beautiful. Park your arms on the and your feet over here. Nice work.
Sorry. Something good, eh? It's horrible. That first bit, looking over, you just like, fuck this. I said to them, I can't do it. They're like, yes, you can. Take your hand off. I was like, no. And they're like, take your hand off. I'm like, no.
Jump up. Well, now you know how good bungee jumping is. Pretty good. There you go.
It's once you're in there, it's fine. It's just letting yourself know.
Well, it must be just like you said on the way down, because at the start that can be a bit nerve-wracking.
Yeah, it's like losing your virginity, isn't it?